We got a box in the mail. Well, not in the mail. In the FedEx. Oh, wait a second. This is a YouTube unboxing video. There's a formula. You can't just
I don't do formulas. Well, okay. All right.
Just rip it open.
Fine.
So we got this lovely box. It's a lovely cardboard box. There's a giant logo with the name of the company. It's a very well printed logo. The tape. The tape has the company logo and something in German. Fleisch ain't no fire. Fans?
Someone will.
Meat ain't no joke. That's my German. That's my German for today. Meat ain't no joke.
Really?
Yep.
Wow.
Which is also printed on the box. Okay, now we get to open it. So inside here is an Otto Wilda griller from Germany. They've sent it to us. It's an overhead griller, kind of like a salamander in a commercial kitchen. Ooh.
Oh my. All right, ready? If you
cool.
lift it up, I'll shift the box slightly out of your way. Are you tall enough? Oh, not that you're not.
There.
2, 1.
Wow. So it's
Just more foam inside.
It's heavy. It's very heavy. And it's fully assembled. So these are two, what are they, ceramic?
Looks like it. Don't touch it.
Ceramic infrared burners.
I hate to get goo in them.
Well,
Those are tiny little holes, eh?
They are. And I like that it comes apart because that makes it easier to clean.
You can actually get inside and clean the back half?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
that is kind of nice, so.
Let's put it back together.
Okay. There you go. Second time's a charm.
Great, so.
Now we got a grill. What to do?
Well, I really like that you can control each of the two broilers
separately.
separately. So you can turn them, you've got quite a bit of option to either just have one on if you're only doing one steak, or have them both on. Have them on at different amounts. That's fantastic. So how hot does it get?
Ooh, I didn't look that up yet. I am sure very hot. Their first suggested recipe is a ribeye, right there.
Is that what it says?
Yeah, look at that. First.
That's funny because I spoke to Ted Reeder.
Oh yeah, what'd he say?
He said, Ted, I got one of these. What should I cook first? And he said, cook a rib steak.
There you go.
That's the thing.
Like that's even the recipe they've included in here. Exactly how to do it.
So that will be the first thing we cook in this.
Can we throw in some vegetables?
Do some vegetables. I'm not going to do it today though.
No.
Because it's
well, it does. Yeah, it also says we still have to hook it up. We still have to, test the gas and make sure that it doesn't leak and stuff like that. Like they've got safety first.
So we'll start with rib steak.
No children are allowed to use it though.
I think this would be great with like grilling fish.
Yes.
I think you could do kebabs in this. I've got a whole bunch of stuff in my head that I think we could do with this.
Dessert? Oysters.
Oysters on the half shell. Put them in and broil them.
Okay, and a half shell. I was thinking.
Yep.
I thought you were.
No.
Desserts. It's got to be a dessert. Marshmallows.
It might be too hot for marshmallows, but we'll give it a try. I'm sure there's something. Creme brulee. At the end of a barbecue, you can put a creme brulee inside.
That could be very easy. Where's
And,
the temperature?
burn the top off.
No, that's the never do this.
Okay, so we have this fantastic overfired broiler.
We have a bunch of ideas
From
of things
Otto.
to try.
From Otto, and we are going to, over the next few weeks, do like a dozen different recipes with this griller and get ready for summer. Cool. Come on back for all of that.